Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable session management in Okta mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. To enable session management in Okta mobile apps, start by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the security section in the left sidebar. Select authentication from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Sessions section. Click on Session Management to access the settings. In the Session Management settings, you will see various options for configuring session behaviors. You can define the session lifetime by specifying the duration in minutes or hours. Select your preferred session timeout settings for idle sessions. Make a decision on whether to enable re-authentication based on certain conditions. Toggle the re-authentication setting to the desired position. Consider enabling refresh tokens if your application requires maintaining user sessions without forcing logins. Input the required settings for refresh tokens, including their lifetime and expiry behaviors. Once saved, these settings will apply to the mobile apps linked to your Okta instance. Test the new session management settings by logging into your mobile app. Monitor the behavior to ensure that sessions are being managed according to the rules you've set. Adjust any settings as necessary based on your testing results. Finally, document your configuration to maintain records of the session management setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.